fourth class. Before starting the lesson, please look at the board one. Tell me what is this? What is this picture about? Yes, this is a house. Can you tell me what is this? This is a window. Very good. Today we are going to see a lesson named The House with the Golden Windows. This is the lesson from 4th class, lesson number 1. What is the lesson name? The House with the golden windows. Let us have a look on the title. The House with the Golden Windows. Isn't it different? Golden windows. Do you have windows at your home? Are they made of gold? No, I too don't have any golden windows. But what is this lesson name? Are you feeling excited to know what is this golden windows? Let us see who has this golden windows. Open your textbook. Listen carefully. Long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. So this is the story about a small boy. What is the boy's name? Steve. Where did this boy used to live? He lived in Scotland. He belongs to Scotland. This Stevie used to live in a farm. Where did he live? He lived in a farm. What is the meaning of farm? Farm is field. He used to live in a field. His house was in a field. Every day after school and during the weekends, Stevie helped his father in the field and took care of the farm animals. What did this Stevie do? He every day goes to school like you. How you go to school? This Stevie also used to go to school. After returning from school, he used to help his father. He used to help his father. What type of help? He used to help his father in the field. He used to take care about his animals. When did he used to help? After school and also during weekends. During weekends. Do you know what are weekends? Which days are called weekends? Yes, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. These two are weekends. During weekends and after school, he used to help his father in the farm and also he used to rear the animals, take care of the animals. But at the end of the day, when the work was done and the sun began to go down, there came an hour which was all his own. So after school he went to farm and helped his father. After that, till what time he will help? At the end of the day. At the end of the day. That means evening time. When the sun is going to set. Sunset time, he was free from his job. He can do whatever he want to do. It was his own time. He can spend leisure. Here we can see one word. Done. What is this done? This is the past participle word. Do, did, done. Past participle of do. When this time came, Stevie would often stroll to the top of a hill near his house and look across at another hill a long way away. When his own time came, that means when the sun sets, what does he do? He slowly strolls to his hill. A hill is near the house. Near his house there is a hill. There is a hill. Slowly he strolls. What is the meaning of stroll? Walk slowly. He walks slowly, very happily. He was very happy to reach this hill. So every day after sunset, he used to stroll slowly hill and reached the top of the hill. Where is this hill? It was beside the house. And looked across another hill a long way away. What did he do after reaching this hill? He used to look across another hill. He used to see this hill which was very far away from his house. There on this far off hill stood a house with windows shining like gold. So what was there on this hill? There was a house on the top of the hill which had windows shining like gold. How are the windows shining? They were shining like a gold. That's why this boy Stevie used to go stroll to the hill and sit here on the hill and look these golden windows. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching. Turn the page. This house, what did he do? He used to sit on the hill and sit here and watch the windows. The windows shone so brightly that they made Stevie blink when he looked at them. So whenever the boy used to see, the Stevie used to look at the windows, his eyes used to blink. Blink means what? Closing and opening the eyes. Close and open the eyes. His eyes used to close and open. So his eyes used to blink when he used to see the windows. After a while, someone would close the shutters and he knew it was time to go for supper. After some time, till what time he will see? Till some time. When the sun is going to set and somebody who closes these shutters. What is the meaning of shutters? The outer cover. Outer cover of a window. Outer cover of a window is called shutter. So when somebody closed the shutters, then this boy used to get down the hill. Till they won't close, he will sit here and gaze the windows. From here he used to gaze the windows till somebody shut. Shutting means closing. Till somebody shuts that shutters. Close the shutters. And what he will do? He will then have his supper. What is the meaning of supper? Supper means dinner. So he reached home to have his supper. Till that time he used to sit and watch that or gaze the windows. One Saturday, Stevie's father told him, "You have earned a holiday." What did he say? You have earned a holiday. What is the meaning of earn? Earn means to get. You have got a holiday. You have got a holiday. Take a day off today and try to learn something good. What did Stevie's father say? He said, take a day off. Day off. What is the meaning of day off? Leave. Day off means leave. He said, take leave. Take leave from the work and learn something good. Stevie was delighted. How was he feeling? He was feeling delighted. What is the meaning of delighted? Very pleased. He was very pleased, very thankful to his father. He was very happy for his leave. He thanked his father and then started off for the house with the golden windows. Then he immediately thanked his father. He said, "Thank you very much, Dad," and he went off to see that golden windows. He started. After trudging for a long time, see here we have got a new word, trudging. What is the meaning of trudging? This is also walking. Walk with great effort. Walk with great effort. What is the meaning of stroll? Stroll means walk slowly. Walk slowly for pleasure, for happiness. This is walking happily without any effort. Trudging is walking with great effort, with difficulty. So this boy, Stevie, trudged, walked slowly. Trudging, it was very difficult because the way was very long and the hill also was very big hill. If you compare this hill to that hill, the hill which was beside his house was very small compared to that which was far away. This was very big hill, so he has to trudge, he had to make a great effort to reach the hill. Stevie came to a big hill. At the top was the house he had been searching for. So what did he found? After trudging to this hill, however, he reached the house which was he searching for. Stevie hurried to it. He hurried to reach that. But to his disappointment, it did not have golden windows. Why he was disappointed? Why he was disappointed? Because he thought these windows were golden. But when he went there, he did not see golden windows there. What were they? They were just normal ones. They were made of clear glass like any normal ones. When he went there and saw the windows, why he went there? To see these windows. Are they made of gold? But when he saw these windows, he saw that they were made of clear glass like normal ones. What are your windows made of? Clear glass. Everybody will make a window with a clear glass. Same thing happened here. Here also he found this house with a clear glass. But he was thinking that these windows were made of gold. That's why he went there to see the windows. A woman came to the door. To Stevie's surprise, it was Mrs. Campbell. Who was she? Mrs. Campbell. Who was Mrs. Campbell? A friend of his mother's. This lady was none other than Stevie's mother's friend. Stevie's mother's friend. Who was Miss Campbell? She was the friend of his mother's. This Mrs. Campbell was friend of Stevie's mother, not Stevie's friend, Stevie's mother's friend. Hello Stevie, she exclaimed. How nice to see you here. Did your mother send you for something? She asked Stevie very kindly. Mrs. Campbell asked Stevie. What did she ask? First she invited, she greeted Stevie after saying, hello Stevie, how are you? Did your mother send you for something? How nice to see you here. Like this she greeted. Hello Mrs. Campbell, I came for something else. At the end of every day, I see your golden windows from the top of a hill near our farm. Stevie explained the reason why he came there. He too greeted Mrs. Campbell. He said, hello Mrs. Campbell. My mother did not send me. I came for something else. Every day. What was the reason? Every day I see your house and I found golden windows from my hill. At the end of every day I see your golden windows from the top of a hill near our farm. Stevie explained. And now I have come here to see them. But I find that they are only glass. From my hill I find your windows were looking like gold, but when I came here, I saw they were normal glass windows. Mrs. Campbell moved her head from side to side and laughed. Then she moved her head. How did she move? She moved her head side to side and laughed. What did she do? We are poor farming people, she said. I don't think there will ever be any gold on our windows. He said, Stevie, we are poor farm people. How would we have? I think we will never have any golden windows in future also. Anyway, glass is better than gold to see through. So she said, glass is better. What do you say? Is glass better or gold better? Can you see through gold? It is impossible. Because glass is transparent, we can see through glass. This gold is not useful. We can't look through that anything. So she said, she asked Stevie to sit down and rest. She explained that that glass is better than gold, and also she said that they are poor. We won't have golden windows in our life throughout the life because we are very poor people. Then she said Stevie to take rest, and she brought him a cup of milk and some cake. Mrs. Campbell gave a cup of milk and some cake. She then called her little girl Paula. What is the girl's name? Paula. Who is this Paula? Mrs. Campbell's daughter. She is Mrs. Campbell's daughter. Paula, a child of his own age, to sit with him. Mrs. Campbell went back to her work, leaving the two children together to talk and play. So, after calling Paula, she left these two children. She told the children to play with each other and have a talk. Stevie and Paula wandered around her family's farm. What did Paula do? She took Stevie and wandered to their farm. She took Stevie to her farm and they wandered all the farm. Paula showed him her black calf, Princess, that had a white star on its forehead. Paula showed a calf. What is the plural of calf? Calves. Calf plural is calves. What is a calf? Calf is young ones. Young ones of a cow or buffalo. Young ones of a cow or a buffalo is called a calf. So, Paula showed Stevie her calf. What is the name of its calf? This calf? Princess. She named her Princess. Princess had a white star on its forehead. This princess had a white star. What the princess had? A white star on its forehead. You can see the picture. Forehead. They crept up to the roof to see her cat and her kittens. Then Paula took Stevie to the roof. What is there on the roof? They were cat and also its kittens. Cat and kittens. Soon they became friends and Stevie asked her about the golden windows. Paula said that she knew all about them. Then after becoming friends, after some time, Paula and Stevie both had a talk. Meanwhile talking, Stevie said the reason why he came there. He told about the golden windows. Then Paula said already she knew that. Already she knew about the golden windows. You have taken the wrong way. She laughed. She said, you have taken the wrong way. Come with me to the top of the hill behind our house and I will show you the house you are looking for. As they walked, she told him that the golden windows could only be seen as the sun goes down. Then Paula said that you have taken the wrong step. You are taking the wrong direction. This is not the way to come to the golden windows. If you want to see the golden windows, you have to reach the other hill which is behind my house. There you will find a house which has the golden windows. Now did you understand what Paula is saying? Paula is saying that this house which was on the top of the hill, this house had golden windows. Stevie is saying that this is the golden window house, but Paula says that this house which is on the other hill is having golden windows. And she also said that you can see these golden windows only during the sunset. Yes, I know that, said Stevie. They waited and just as the sun was starting to go down, Paula turned and pointed. There it is, she said, and one day, just like you, I am going to go and look for that house. Then Paula showed Stevie. When did she show? When the sun was setting down, she showed this house and she pointed that there it is. This is the house which you are searching for. Then she said that one day she is going to see that windows. There on a hill far away stood a house with windows of gold looking at it. Stevie saw that the house was his own. When Stevie was seeing, he found that this was his own house. Whose house was this? It is Stevie's house. And Paula's house. Stevie, when Paula was showing, he found that this is his own house. Why its windows were blazing like golden flames? Stevie was confused. This is my own house. Why these my windows? My house windows are glazing. They are shining like golden windows. Why they are blazing like golden windows? Actually, he knows that he do not have any golden windows. But from there, from Paula's house, his house windows were blazing like golden windows. He was confused. He was thinking, why it is happening like that? Suddenly, Stevie realized what had happened. What is the meaning of realized? Understood. Stevie realized, he understood that the golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. So he understood what had happened. When the sun is going to set, these golden rays, the rays of the sun fell on the windows. Because of these rays, sun rays, the windows shine like gold. The glass of the windows, both the houses glitter. Glitter means what? Shine. These two windows shine like gold. Thanks, Paula, and goodbye, said Stevie. Now, Stevie has understood what is happening. These windows are not made of gold. They are glitters. They are glittering like gold because of the rays of the sun which were falling on the windows. Then he stood up, he thanked Paula and he said goodbye. I need to go home before it gets too dark. Paula stood in the sunset, gazing and waving at him as he walked down the hill. The sun had sunk below the horizon by the time Stevie returned home. Here one more word we got, sunk. What is this sunk? It is also past participle of sink. Sink, sank and sunk. That means already the sun has gone down. The sun had sunk below the horizon. Here one more new word we got, horizon. What is the meaning of horizon? It is a place where the sun seems to meet the earth. Actually, the sun won't meet the earth, but it seems like it is touching the earth. That place or that line which gives you an imaginary line, which gives you a imagine that the sun is touching the earth, that line is called horizon. So, the sun had sunk below the horizon by the time Stevie returned home, but the lamp light shone through the windows almost as bright as the golden windows he had seen. So by the time he reached the house, already it was dark. Their parents have lighted the lamp. Because of the lighting of the light lamp, these windows were shining like gold. When he opened the door, his mother came over to hug him. When he opened the door, his mother came to hug him. His father, who sat by the fire, looked up and smiled. His father, who was sitting beside the fire, looked up and smiled at Stevie. Did you have a good day? Asked his father. Yes, said Stevie, a very good day. Did you learn anything? Asked his father. Yes, said Stevie, I learned that our house too has windows of gold. Okay, this was the lesson about the house of golden windows. Thank you.